Did you know you can't say f***ed on the radio? It's true, and you can get in some serious trouble with the FCC for saying shit too. That's a real shame, because those are exactly the words you'd use to describe the state of your credit. Legally erase f***ed up credit with over 7 years of experience, knowledge, and the most advanced. Don't wake up in the morning feeling like shit and come home feeling totally f***ed over. Smart way to get the help you need so you can get the things you'll feel like a dumb shit someday if you don't.
And here are the results. Let's take a look at this. Deleted, 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 deleted. 12 out of 14 items deleted. This new information right here, these are 2 items that didn't come off, but that's okay, because in round 2 we attack it again and we're going to get those 2 items off. But on the very first letter, using the clean credit letter sent to TransUnion, 12 out of 14 items were deleted. How many times have you sent letters to the bureaus only to have them say verified? It's a letter, and go to the post office. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay people thousands of dollars to clean your credit. What would this do for your world right now? How much is having bad credit holding you back? If you're a business person, it is really holding you back. You can't get financing. You can't get a credit card. You can't get loans to expand your business, credit lines. You can't do anything. You can't buy real estate. And just as a regular person, you can't get a credit card. You can't buy a car. You have to go to a buy here, pay here lot with bad credit. You can't get a mortgage. You can't rent an apartment with bad credit. You can't even rent a car with bad credit. There's so many things you can't do when you have bad credit. And this letter has the ability in as little as 20 days to change all that for you. Now, certainly you're not going to get 100% of your items removed on the first letter. And you may, and some people, all results vary, but you may get a few items on the first letter. You may get a lot of items on the first letter, but you're not going to get everything. So you're going to go to round 2 and you're going to keep attacking it. But let's say within 30 to 60 days, you can wipe your own credit clean. Let me just tell you, it's a different world. It's an entirely different world to no longer be afraid of your credit. All same information for several $100s or several $1,000s. And there are companies that use this same information that will charge you hundreds and thousands of dollars to clean your credit for you. And you don't have to pay those people. You can do it yourself if you have the information. And I'm going to provide you the instructions on exactly what to do, and I'm going to provide you the exact letter that we used with the proof that you just saw. And I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out, it's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus. In as little as 20 to 30 days, you can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.